Could the 2024 housing crash be the financial catastrophe of the decade? Let's delve into this intriguing subject. In comparison to previous financial crises, the 2024 housing crash paints a grim picture. Take, for instance, the infamous 2008 financial crisis. Triggered by the collapse of the housing market, it led to a global recession, millions of people losing their homes, and a significant loss of jobs. The aftermath lingered for years, crippling the economy and leaving deep scars. However, the 2024 housing crash appears to be on an entirely different scale. It's like comparing a thunderstorm to a hurricane. They're both storms, but one leaves far more devastation in its wake. Several factors contribute to the severity of the 2024 housing crash. First, there's the inflated housing prices reaching levels not seen since the 2008 crisis. Then there's the issue of interest rates. With rates at record lows for an extended period, the eventual increase has led to a dramatic slowdown in housing affordability. Moreover, the economic instability brought about by the pandemic and other global events has added fuel to the fire. The result is a housing crash that's not just a repeat of past crises but a whole new level of financial disaster. Summing up the key points about the 2024 housing crash, it's clear that this is a crisis of unprecedented proportions. The inflated housing prices combined with record low interest rates and economic instability have created a perfect storm. The result is a housing market crash that's worse than anything we've seen before. So, what does this mean for investors? Well, as the legendary investor Charlie Munger, right-hand man to Warren Buffett, once said, "It's important to know what you don't know. In times of financial crises, it's crucial to be cautious, stay informed, and make prudent investment decisions." The 2024 housing crash serves as a reminder of the unpredictability of economic cycles. But as billionaire real estate investor Jeff Green advises, it's essential to be prepared for slowdowns. A conservative approach to investing focusing on preserving capital rather than taking on excessive risk could be the key to weathering the storm. In conclusion, the 2024 housing crash is a financial catastrophe that's worse than you might think. It's a crisis that calls for caution, prudence, and a wise investment strategy. Remember, as Warren Buffett himself once said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Stay informed, stay cautious, and stay ahead of the game.